What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Ruthless from GG Kicks here, and today I'm bringing you guys a review of the Air Jordan 1 Baroque Brown, also known as the BIOHACK 1s. These are also known as the most colorful Air Jordan probably known to date. Shout out to the plug, man, hypebeast_PA23. Follow that on IG for all the latest sneaker releases, man. The boy really came through with these for sure. This is just a regular Air Jordan 1 box. Let's take a look at the price tag. Retail was $170 on these. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Baroque Brown color with all the other crazy colors it has. Just the bottom of the box. Let's take a look at the shoe. So looking at these for the first time when they first released the pictures, I thought these were gonna sit. But in person, man, this quality on this shoe is insane. You guys could probably already tell by the video if you guys are watching in 4K. The amazing detail that this leather has. It's like a soft suede nubuck almost. Got your Air Jordan. Silver Nike swoosh. That nice soft suede right there. The whole shoe is pretty much suede all around, even on the toe box. That nubuck suede. Feels very premium for $170, I'm not gonna lie. Here's your tongue. I like this color. That's probably the only color I like on the shoe, actually. Because this shoe is nuts. Also brings a separation of these ankle straps right here. Man, this pink is wild. People have been complaining that Jordan brands begin lazy, but when you put out a shoe like this, at first you think, damn, what were they thinking, man? Just give us some nice looking Air Jordan 1s. But at least now they're putting time and effort into the shoe, making it great quality. This is an hourglass shape. If your Air Jordan 1s don't have this hourglass shape, man, you got scammed. It's supposed to look nice and sharp like that. The back has to be layered. So this shoe brings extra pair of pink laces. Comes with black one stock. You can switch these out for a more pop-in look. It'll make the shoe pop out more with these hot pink. Let's count actually how much colors are actually on this shoe. I think I counted 8. So let's see, we got the hot pink. That's 1, yellow 2, black 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This blue and this blue is the same. So you got 8 different colors on this Air Jordan 1. So the Jordan brand didn't wake up one day and just decided to throw 8 colors on one shoe. The inspiration for this shoe actually came from the Nike Dunk Undefeated. Those were a very exclusive pair that came out a long time ago. So these released on September the 4th, 2020. Let me know what you guys think. I personally like these shoes, but to wear it, man, I can't lie to you, I'd probably just throw on a plain black tee and call it a day for these, because it's just too much going on with this shoe. So I give it a 10 out of 10 because just the build quality of this shoe is there. The thought is there, the concept is there, and not just because they take it from an Undefeated and it's a very hyped shoe, but it's different, you know. Once people start beating these up, I see these going a lot higher in value. Right now, they're anywhere from $260 to $350, depending on which size you're looking for. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the video, man. This was Ruthless from GG Kicks, signing out.